Understanding risk management and strategies for risk management in a global environment. In the complex landscape of global business, risk is defined as the chance that something will happen, positively or negatively, that affects organizational goals and objectives. To navigate this uncertainty, HR professionals must master risk management, the disciplined process of analyzing exposure and determining how to handle it through assumption, avoidance, retention, or transfer. In a global context, this involves protecting physical assets, intellectual property, and intangible assets while acting as an organizational architect of safety and compliance. A systematic risk management program follows a 5-stage cycle designed to ensure organizational resilience. Assess risk. This involves scanning the environment, reviewing company goals, and using advanced analytics and data collection to identify potential opportunities and threats. HR must also recognize differences in international laws and ensure local regulatory compliance. Develop system. HR must obtain top management support, identify key priorities, and coordinate with other functions like finance and security to determine cost-effective strategies. This stage also includes developing requests for proposals, RFPs, and vendor selection. Implement program. This requires clear communication of protocols, training for managers and the board, and the assignment of accountability at the executive level. Special concerns such as global safety, security, and emergency response drills are implemented here. Monitor effort. Organizations must apply internal investigation techniques, surveillance, and tracking systems for complaints or safety data to ensure ongoing compliance with local requirements. Evaluate and modify. Program success is reviewed through cost-benefit ratios and feedback, allowing the system to be shored up against changing conditions. Effective programs address risk across 4 distinct domains. Hazard risk includes property damage, liability torts, and natural catastrophes. Financial risk covers currency fluctuations, pricing risks, liquidity, and asset risks. Operational risk focuses on customer satisfaction, product failure, and personnel risks such as safety and turnover. Strategic risk addresses competition, social trends, and capital availability. HR professionals lead enterprise risk management by examining policies that prevent loss and ensure business continuity. Key areas of focus include occupational safety and health, (OSH), establishing corporate safety committees and tracking accident frequency to identify regional differences. Business continuity and disaster recovery, developing guidelines for recovering operations lost to disasters like earthquakes, terrorism, or pandemics. International assignee risks. This includes pre-assignment medical briefings, understanding host country legal prosecution risks, and determined procedures for kidnapping and ransom (K&R) demands. Protection of proprietary information, implementing non-disclosure agreements and restricted computer access to safeguard creations of the mind. Managing risk globally requires navigating the global-local paradox. What is tolerated in one culture may be illegal or unethical in another. Legal compliance. HR must recognize differences in international, regional, and extraterritorial laws, such as the Sarbanes-Oxley Act, SOX, for whistleblower protection to control the risk of litigation.